I'm Curt Frye. I know I have viewers from all around the world, so like me, you are almost certainly watching the Men's World Cup football or soccer tournament. While online, I saw a way to summarize results from each of the 14 groups that was new to me. You might have seen it before, but if you haven't, I think you'll agree it's pretty neat. The U.S. is in Group D, and here is a summary of the results after 2 matches. I apologize that this graphic is a little blurry. I copied it off of a post on Blue Sky. After 2 rounds, the USA has 6 points, and again, it's 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and 0 points for a loss. Paraguay and Australia both have 3 points, 1 win each, and Turkey has 0 points, and that's because they very surprisingly lost their first 2 matches. Let's take another look at this inside PowerPoint, and I'll explain how the summary is done. Here's the same square, and our goal is to summarize the score of the matches between each of the teams. So let's set back to 0. In round 1, the USA plays Uruguay and Australia plays Turkey. So the squares in the line between those 2 countries will represent the score, and of course the number of goals for each team will be in the square closest to their starting number or their total number. In round 2, we have the USA playing Australia and Uruguay playing Turkey, so those will be those squares on the diagonals. And then in round 3, which has not happened as I'm recording this, the USA will play Turkey and Uruguay will play Australia. So let's fill in the values that we have. We'll start with the USA, which beat Uruguay 4-1, and then Australia beat Turkey 2-0. So we have the 4 and the 1, the 4 closer to the USA, 1 for Uruguay, then 2 goals for Australia, and 0 for Turkey. Summarizing round 2, we have Uruguay beating Turkey 1-0, and the USA beating Australia 2-0. So that takes us up to date. And we don't have the scores for round 3 yet, but we can put them in as soon as we get them. And of course, because the US has 2 wins, they have 6 points, Uruguay 3, Australia 3, and Turkey 0. So if you see a 4x4 grid like this, all you need to do is find the boxes in a line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, between the 2 countries or clubs, and you'll be able to see the goals that each club scored during the match. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.